With the blessings of Lord Ganesha, we move ahead with another performance by Guru Rama Vivek Menon, who will be presenting Ashtapadi. Nindati Chandanam is the name of the 8th Ashtapadi in Jayadeva's Gita Govindam. It is a song that expresses emotions of love, longing, and separation between Radha and Krishna. The song conveys Radha's longing for Krishna and her heartache over his seeming indifference. The song also conveys that even joy like coolness of sandalwood deepens her pain in separation.
Yamuna Tiravani Ranikunje Mandamasthidam Yamuna Tiravani Ranikunje Mandamasthidam Praga Prema Bharul Brandam Madhavam Radhika Saghe Nindati Chandana Mindu Kiranamanu Vindati Kheda Madhiram Nindati Chandana Mindu Kiranamanu Vindati Kheda Madhiram Vyala Nilaya Milane Nagaralamiva Vyala Nilaya Milane Nagaralamiva Kalayadi Malaya Samire Savirage Tavadina Krishna Savirage Tavadina Madhava Manasija Vishikha Bhaya Diva Madhava Manasija Vishikha Bhaya Diva Bhavanaya Tvailina Savirage Tavadina Kusuma Vishikha Sharatalpa Manalpa Vilasakala Kamaniyam Kusuma Vishikha Sharatalpa Manalpa Vilasakala Kamaniyam Vratamiva tava parirambha sukhaya Vratamiva tava parirambha